Some shocking news. Some shocking news and breaking news is that Natim Teto has been found dead outside a hotel, or was found dead in the hotel. Natim Teto was serving as the South Africa's ambassador to France. So he was found dead. It's the breaking news. So the recent news reports from French and South African media indicate that Nkosinathi Emmanuel, popularly known as Natim Teto, the South African ambassador to France, has been found dead in Paris at the Hyatt Hotel in Port Emilot. Okay? He was reported missing on Monday, September 29, 2025. Okay? That's yesterday. By his wife after she received a disturbing text message.